By now, you should be able to understand what are investment funds, the benefits, and the risk that come with them. So now that we understand that, I want us to have a real example. Let's go through a real asset management company that offers collective investment schemes so that you'll understand how the game is played. So with your phone or with your laptop, however you are right now, go and Google Arvocap.com. It will get you to this page that I'm in. So let's say you want to invest in Arvocap Asset Management. The first thing that you need to do is you need to create an account. So right now I'm going to take you through this Arvocap website. You're going to learn how to create an account, how to navigate the website, how to make an investment, and what the funds entail in the returns you should expect from every fund. So let's begin. You get to Arvocap homepage. Then you click the Invest Now button because now we want to invest. So the first thing you're going to do, if you do not have an account, you're going to have to sign up for an account. So in this case, I have an account. So since I have an account, I'm just going to log in. But in your case, you will have to obviously create an account, which is a very easy process. All you have to do is put your email, put your password, and follow the procedure like email verification so that you have an account. So in this case, I'm just going to log in because I already have an account. And you can see select where you would like to receive verification code. So let's say I want to receive my verification code at the email. I've noticed with this site, it's best if you use the email to get verification code because it's faster. If you say you want to get your verification code via text, it takes a little bit longer. Now that you've said you want to get it via email, let's go to the email and get the verification code. You can see I already have the verification code. I come here, I copy, I paste it. So now we can see I'm in my account. The thing about opening an account with Avocap is that you can open one personal account, but you can also open joint account. Like let's say if you have a group or a chama, you can open a joint account or you can open a corporate account. Or you can have all of them depending on your investment needs. But in this case, it's just a personal uh, uh investment. I'm pursuing just personal investment, so my account is already there. So when you get into the system, now you can see we have home and you have this button that says you should invest, which takes you to the various funds that they have, which is money market, equity, they have Sharia funds, they have dollar funds, and they have fixed income funds. Even also at this home area, you're also going to be asked to complete the know your customer, the KYC details. KYC allows you to submit your documents so that your account is more secure because it has your details such as the carry, the ID. So if you come and look at my profile over here, you can see I've completed all the know your customer details, which is personal info, payment, next of kin, and uploads of maybe photo, ID, and probably carry document. So that is something you have to consider, the KYC. Okay, that's number one. So after you consider that, another thing you're going to look at is now how to construct a portfolio. You see it's quite here, start investing. So from there you can see the Arvo funds, you can see your transaction history, you can see the library, like the documents on investor document that you need to read about the fund before investing in the fund. You have help center where if you need to make a call, chat on WhatsApp, schedule a meeting. So this is how the dashboard looks. And you can see the money market fund is at 15% right now. These are the returns to 16%. You can see the Almasi. You can see the Almasi income fund. You can see the bid or offer per unit. You can see the Ngao fixed income is at 16%. You can expect 16%. Then the Thamani fund equity, it's at 1.05, per unit. So the difference between why the money market or the fixed income has returns and this other side just has the bid and offer price is because sometimes an Almasi fund, fixed income fund, or a Thamani equity income fund, you'll find that this type of funds may outperform the returns. So that's why sometimes the fund management or the asset management company will not necessarily promise you some type of return, because they can promise 20% and the market does 26% that year, or they can promise 15% and the market does 14%. And to prevent any kind of dissonance, sometimes you just need to know the range of return you may receive, which may be from 16 to at least 26%. So depending on how the market is going to fluctuate. So what you can get is the bid or offer price of each unit, so that you can be able to purchase the units and get your returns. But around here you can see 16%, 15 to 16% annual returns for these assets or these asset classes. Okay. So that is how you navigate. This is the dashboard. So if you want to put money in, you can top up with your M-Pesa or your bank depending on the details you have submitted. Or if you want to withdraw, you select the amount you want to withdraw, and then you make a withdrawal. But when it comes to withdrawal, you must consider the lock-in period, because things like money market fund, there's no lock-in period. You can withdraw your money anytime. The Ngao fixed income withdraws monthly. The Almasi withdraws after every 6 months. So you have to you have to consider the withdrawal policies. Some investments have lock-in period so that you get your returns. So let's say you have 100K you put into an Almasi fund, and you have 6 months withholding. So you're going to just get half of the return vis-a-vis if you held your money for like a year. So those are the things you have to consider before you withdraw your money. They're not going to let you withdraw into a fund that needs 6 months in lock-in period. Maybe if it has no lock-in period, that's the only time you can withdraw anytime. But if it has 6 months lock-in period, you have to wait until 6 months is over to be able to withdraw your money. But the best recommendation is at least leave your money there for at least 3 years for you to have substantial returns. So let's say if you invested 100K and you keep topping up with 100K and you leave your money there for a year, that means that you are able to have a good amount of money, which you're going to do the calculations later. So I just wanted to show you the dashboard. When you log in or when you get an account, you get the dashboard, and this is how you can operate it.